All right. Today, I want to speak about the feminine. The feminine, as it particularly shows up in the one who may show up biologically, gender-wise, texture-wise, quality-wise in their feminine. So working with women of all kinds, of all colors, of all backgrounds, of all persuasion. What I have come to discover, starting with myself, is that we have forgotten almost about our feminine self. Also, perhaps having grown up with the notion of that the feminine is either pretty or weak. So I'm not talking about being pretty or anything about external appearance. What I am talking about is an essence. It's an openness to receive, an openness to listen, an openness to let go, letting go of control. And control, the need for control always comes from a background of fear, like as if we could control our fate, as if we could control what's going to happen in the next moment. No, it's an illusion. So, of course, what I'm sharing here may not only apply to the feminine, the one who may be in their feminine, it applies to the masculine just as much. And what I want to emphasize here is how that applies to women. Having worked with women over the last 24 years and delving deeper into how to regenerate, how to come back to the balance within of the feminine and masculine, the yin and yang. Given that out of our history, in the last 50, 60 years with the women's movement, with the emancipation, with being able now to participate in the marketplace and advance, unlike historically in the patriarchal system that didn't allow for that. Women were assigned very particular roles that looked more feminine, nurturing, supporting, all of that. Now we have the whole spectrum of the feminine, masculine, creating and running a business, having leadership roles, and yes, raising children, bearing children, delivering children. All of that is part of that feminine temple body, both the physical, the emotional, the mental, and the spiritual. In order to feel whole and to feel well, we do want to come back into the balance of the feminine and masculine. And that is really what I have been supporting women in over these last many years, given that I was very, career-oriented, which was great, which is great. I'm still career-oriented. However, it was like so single-minded focus that I didn't pay attention to that what wanted to have nurturing, to that what wanted to be listened to, and first and foremost with myself, in myself. How can I get it from someone else, like a partner or a friend, if I don't have the access to the listening to myself, to the willingness to feel my vulnerability and not mistake it with weakness? So, and as you already know at Tantra Nova, we are always about this whole being, the physical, sexual, the emotional love dimension, the mental and the spiritual consciousness dimension, and that they come together and dance with each other. So there we can come to inner balance, to, really being in our flow. And for many women, that really starts with learning or returning to what it means to trust. Because without trusting, I'm not open to receiving. I'm not open to being guided beyond, beyond me, that there is a higher consciousness, and also being open to trust and receive from another human being. May this be a child, may this be a friend, may this be a parent, or may this be a beloved. And all bliss and fulfillment, sexual, intimate pleasure arises from that openness, that letting go, that receiving, that implies trust. So I thought I would share this with you today so you can look at if you like to learn more about it, and if you like to explore coming to experiencing my Feminine Essence workshop. The next one is the first weekend in May. Anywhere from 6 to 10 women will be in the group. You can attend in person here at the Institute, or you can also come in on Zoom, attend that way. So depending on if you can travel or not, it's open to you either way. And, just give me a call at 708-267-9062. Text me, write me an email at elspeth@tantranova.com, elspeth@tantranova.com. And I leave also these links where you can learn more about the workshop and can reach me in the body of this message. So I look forward to hearing from you. See you soon. Bye-bye.